guys, welcome back to my channel Creative Pro, and today we're going to be doing a polygel nail tutorial using the Modelone kit. Okay, well let's go ahead and open this kit up. And we've got some jewel forms, top and base coat, some glitter, as well as a polygel brush and a weird eyeshadow brush. I don't know what I'm supposed to do with that, so that's a bit weird. There's a free gift, instructions, and also a help guide. Weird thing, some butterflies, pigment, 100 and 180 file, as well as the brush for the polygel and the spatula, slip solution, top and base coat, and jewel forms, as well as the various colors of polygel. And here's the guide. And now we're gonna start to prep our nails, and the way I'm gonna do this is by pushing back my cuticles as well as filing my nails down just to make sure that I have a smooth, clean surface. After pushing back my cuticles, I'm going to go ahead and use my primer. This is a nail dehydrator. I'm also going to go ahead and add the base coat, the polygel, and then cure that for 60 seconds. Now I'm going to be sizing up my jewel forms to fit my nails. I'll be using the slip solution to mold the polygel onto the jewel forms, as you will later see. Just adding some butterflies. And now I'm just going to gently tap the polygel to mold into the jewel form. And the way to do this is to just basically soak your brush with the slip solution and gently tap. And it's always important to make sure that there aren't any bubbles. The brushes I was given by Modelone were really bad, so I actually ended up using my own brushes for painting, which isn't really great, but you know. Yeah, so we're just gonna carry on tapping that, and it's always great to hold it at a downwards angle. And now I'm just gonna squeeze the polygel onto my nail whilst holding it, and then I'm going to go ahead and smoothen out the nail just to make sure that it's not too thick at the end. And cure that for about 60 seconds, and then we're just going to snap it off. And we have our first nail. And don't forget that you can always use the polygel on top of the nails to, make them look a bit more thick, etc. And these are my final nails. And I'm just going to go ahead and use the 180 side to shape and file down the nails. I'm kind of going to go for the coffin look. And now to finish off, we're just going to add some top coat. Cure that for 60 seconds. And don't forget to oil your cuticles. And these are the nails.